Welcome, here I've got TCL 20 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to video. Here we are. Now let's move to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. In the video mode we have the video category at the first place. At the second position we can see now the video stabilization option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And in this device and in this video mode we have one extra way to stabilize our video better, so let's move back to the camera preview now and focus on this settings bar. We have to tap to this button, the third from the left, to get access to super anti-shake recording, and another tap to turn it off. So if you need really extra special stabilization, you have to use this. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.